Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to deny photo tagging on Twitter or X.com. Sometimes it's become very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To deny photo tagging on Twitter, go to your browser and browse X.com. Then on left pane, you will find more options. Click on more option and then scroll down. The last option is settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Here, the first option is your account. Click on your account and then go to account information. Here, you just type your password. I'm typing my password here and click on confirm. Here you will find protected post. Click on protected post and then you will find here photo tagging. Anyone can tag you. Click on this option. You will find here photo tagging is enabled. Just click here to turn off photo tagging. Now photo tagging is denied on my Twitter or X.com. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.